You have big dreams, but somehow your days keep slipping away. You keep telling yourself, "I'll start tomorrow." But tomorrow never comes. You've got the potential, but no progress. You want to make your family proud, but deep down, you know you're failing them. I know that pain, because that's exactly where this boy was. Until one moment changed everything. This isn't just a story. It's your wake-up call. Watch it till the end, and I promise, you'll never look at procrastination the same way again. In a small modern-day town in India lived Aryan, a 20-year-old boy with dreams far bigger than his reality. His home was modest, his family humble but rich in hope. They believed, without a sliver of doubt, that Aryan would one day pull them out of poverty and gift them a life of dignity. But Aryan had a silent enemy: procrastination. His days slipped through the cracks of distractions, scrolling endlessly, pushing tasks to tomorrow, and making promises he never kept. Though his heart wanted success, his habits chained him to failure. He missed college assignments, avoided skill building, and slowly watched his ambitions fade into guilt and self-loathing. One evening, Aryan overheard his father telling his mother, "No matter how hard life gets, our son will change our future." That blind faith broke something inside him, and built something stronger. For the first time, Aryan looked in the mirror and accepted the truth. The world doesn't reward wishful thinkers, it rewards the disciplined. He deleted distractions, planned his days, woke up early, and stuck to a routine. The change was agonizing. His mind fought it, his body resisted, and failures mocked him. But he didn't stop. Day by day, he studied, trained, and freelanced online. Slowly, his skills grew. Clients came. Money trickled in. Then it flowed. Years later, Aryan walked into his small home, not with empty hands, but with the first set of keys to their new apartment. His parents wept, not from struggle, but pride. Moral of the story is discipline and consistency will always take you where dreams alone cannot. If Aryan can fight his own laziness, distractions, and self-doubt to build a better life, so can you. Success isn't about being the smartest. It's about being disciplined when no one's watching. If this story woke something up in you, don't let it fade. Hit that subscribe button, join our journey, and start becoming the person your future self will thank you for. Because your story, it starts right now.